Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Martha, the host greeted warmly. She continued, "Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for any aspiring YouTuber: how to choose the perfect niche for your YouTube channel. Whether you want to grow fast, earn money, or just share your passion with the world," she explained, "this video will guide you step by step to find the niche that fits you best." Before we talk about how to choose your niche, the host explains why your niche is so important. Your niche determines who your audience is, what kind of videos you'll make, how easily you can grow, and even how much money you can earn. If you pick the wrong niche, the host warns, you might burn out, get stuck, or struggle to gain views. But the right niche, it opens doors to endless growth. The three golden rules of picking a niche. There are three golden rules when it comes to choosing a successful YouTube niche. Let's break them down. Rule 1: passion. Do you love it? The host explained that if you're not excited about your niche, you'll quit fast. You should ask yourself, can I talk about this for the next year? Will I still enjoy it if no one watches at first? Rule 2: skill. Are you good at it or willing to learn? The host encouraged that you don't need to be an expert, but having some knowledge or willingness to grow is key. Can you teach, show, explain, or entertain in this niche? Rule 3: demand. Do people search for it? The host advised using tools like Google Trends, YouTube search bar autocomplete, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ. If people aren't searching for your topic, it'll be hard to grow, no matter how passionate you are. Top 10 Profitable YouTube Niches 2025 edition. Let's look at some high-demand YouTube niches that are great for growth and monetization. 1. Personal finance. Saving money, investing, side hustles. 2. Tech reviews. Gadgets, software, apps. 3. Health and fitness. Workouts, nutrition, mental health. 4. Gaming. Gameplays, tips, walkthroughs. 5. Education. Tutorials, how-to videos, language learning. 6. Beauty and fashion. Makeup, skincare, clothing hauls. 7. Lifestyle vlogs, day in the life, routines, productivity. 8. Motivation and self-development, mindset, habits, success tips. 9. Travel and adventure, vlogs, guides, travel hacks. 10. AI and tech trends, ChatGPT, automation, future tech. Pick one that fits your style and build on it. Niche validation, test before you commit. Not sure which one to pick? The host encourages you to try this approach. Make 3 to 5 videos in 2 to 3 different niche ideas. Post them over 2 to 3 weeks. See what performs best. Track watch time, likes, and comments. Let your audience and analytics guide your final decision. Try niche testing and track analytics as the host encourages you to do. And there you have it, a complete guide to choosing your perfect YouTube niche, the host said. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tips. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see what amazing channel you build next, the host added warmly. See you in the next video, the host concluded.